one at the back. Oh, they're all over there. Anything you ain't got, go over there and get tonight. Standing for you. So I did a track on the Natural album called So Cold. And I had Stuart Zender, who's in the building tonight, but he said he was coming down tonight. And another guy called D'Angelo. Come drop some keys on it, because at the time I was signed to his label in America. And they never put the record out. The record company closed down and somebody went in and took this song and put it on D'Angelo's album. I went on the internet and I looked on there and my sister kept saying she's heard my song. And I was like, where? You couldn't have heard it. She's like, yeah, I've heard it on D'Angelo's album, it don't make no sense. So I went and listened to it. I said, what's he singing, man? I might chill with that, man. I feel a bit chill with that. Think about my team. Keep it going. In my eyes, I can't hide all that I feel. It's written on my face. There's no place so you can see just you. Ooh, child, all I want to do. Baptized in tenderness, shouting with the this moment in time where I wanna be. You're right by my side. I love you in and out of season. When you sanctify, cause your love is I'm sitting there to those colors. I'm sitting there to love it. Your body, I treat it like a shine. All other temptations seem to fade. Take away my pressure and pain, baby. Yo, to be much better. This moment is time. Wherever I wanna be, if you're right by my side. So I'm gonna keep asking him. He's got the album.